Good afternoon. We still have not yet moved out this morning. We decided to sleep a bit later. So some of us wake up early, but most of them wake up quite late. So today is day 6 already. So can see behind me strong wind and more gloomy weather.
Yeah, the tree, even the tree leaves are moving like very loud. It's like
Yeah, today much colder compared to yesterday. So everybody wear thick jacket. Let's check out the rest of the guys still hiding in the hotel reception. Okay, so what is today plan? Waterfall. Wow, ni kwa still waterfall. Well, I think step outside, then we going. The moment we step to the waterfall, then you turn come back. I don't think it's the right day to go for a waterfall, but let's see how. Our first POI of the day. Now it's I think about 1 to 2 p.m. already. So this is Tian Di Yuan Pu Pu. So in Korea it's Jeon Falls. I don't know how to read the word. I just anyhow hantam. So behind me is our gang. Okay, this is the price of the entrance. You need to pay about 250 per person. Everybody is try to wrap themselves like dumpling already.
I am a dumpling.
So it's one of the coldest day around. Okay, this will be how the waterfall will look like lah. Today you are the tour guide.
safety officer.
Safety officer. Resign. So he always a lot of occupation.
Actual Singapore occupation retiree.
Oh, okay, officially announced 金盆洗手.
Where's the golden boat?
Now it's lepak mode. Okay, only about 50 meters, not that far. Can see the waterfall, but I don't see any water lah. Can see a pool of water. Look like a Seogwipo like that. There's a first waterfall and there's a second waterfall. There's 2 waterfalls. Okay, just go down here. Wow, there's even a 3rd waterfall. So there's also a bridge. The first waterfall only flows after a heavy rain. So no rain, no waterfall. Okay, let's look at this first waterfall without water. Like Park Ranger. Okay, there's no waterfall at the moment because lack of heavy rain. So let's move on to the second waterfall. Okay, after another, I say about 100 meters, this is the second waterfall. So behind me, from far, I can see the bridge. Very nice. So now we are ready to go down to the second waterfall. Okay, come, ladies.
Danger.
Please go down. Okay, this is the second waterfall. So some of us is here. The boys has left already. They walk a bit faster. So ready to take some group photo before we leave this place. It's more like just take a photo shot and can move on already. This is kind of like curved bridge. Are we going up to the bridge?
I don't know.
Huh? We're gathering at the bridge. Okay, let's move. Okay, let's look at the bridge. Oh, quite steep, the curved bridge. Quite nice, Let's go up the bridge. Okay, a bit. Oh, this is the pine cone. Yeah, pine cone. A lot of pine cones. Here, a lot of pine trees. These are the pine trees. Okay, we are going up the bridge. Okay, I'm now at the crest of the bridge. So on my right is the sea, and now this side on the left of the bridge is the kind of like mountain view. So okay, quite nice, but looking down is a bit scary. Because it's been very cold. Right, very cold, right? The peak of the mountain. Peak of the mountain, right? Oh, yeah. It's the crater lake, right? There's a crater lake. So from here you can see the highest peak of Jeju. Okay, lucky you point out. 1,600 meters. After coming down from the bridge, you can see there's a fountain here, and there's a 天地楼. I think it's a 观景台. So, and there's a 牌匾, so-called wood, stone carving wall or portrait, and there's a Ajuma man gift shop. I want to eat ice cream. So cold already. Okay, this Ajuma preparing the ice cream for them. Michael 挑战极限. Okay, there's this wishing fountain, 五福临门. Go one round like Suntec like that. 快啦. Okay, those people want to what? Please.
来财，来，来财，来，来财，来，来财，来，哎，中指力滚力，对应好运八方来，散了才能聚，你不出手，说了斋。这把直接和，愿花钱交朋友，卖艺高人胆大，让他小忙3条酒，回馈下社会先。
Okay, we are a bit lost, but we found a bakery cafe. So the woman can't wait to go in and start shopping already. I think today haven't start shopping. So the shopping each haven't. 一看到有东西可以买哦，就进去啊。Must press here. Okay, there's a lot of choices. How's the bread? Very nice. Hey, this one good. Looks good. I asked the man come in lah. Down here have a tea break. Don't eat a lot. 来 Uncle, I boy see me. Oh, how is the price? Reasonable. 450. Okay. This is 550. Okay, this is the bread. This is the choice. Not bad lah. 叫那些 Okay, there's a strawberry cake. There are also cake. Okay, prepare. 哇，它 cake 这样大个啊？
它很好看，这样很爽。
哇，the cake quite big 啊。哇 ，look very show.
13
$13 for one piece. Wow, okay, the cake is like that. Look like a big egg tart.
pie, chicken pie.
A lot of strawberry. Okay, look very nice. The cake look very nice. We accidentally stumbled across this bakery. Looks great. Hey, food review.
Very nice.
What is this? Garlic bread.
Garlic bread, but it's a bit 甜的。
甜甜的. Okay, a bit another kind of garlic bread. There's muffin also. I might as well sit here and drink coffee already. Okay, this bakery in fact is quite nice. They say it's an award-winning one. Can see down there a lot of plug there. So anyway, something caught my eye is their cake. Look at how much cream they are using. So look at this one, so big. Anyway, one piece of the cake is about $13 to $12 for one slice. I think about say smaller than 1/4 lah. Portfolio. His portfolio don't play Got medal, got award, got certificate, got plaque. Okay, Korean master baker. Master Chan. So he run this cafe.
You run this cafe?
This is Mrs. Baker, this is Mr. Baker. Happy family. Okay, after the bakery, we are now moving on to this 54th Street Olle Market. So the boys went ahead without us. So they are here now looking for food. So it looked like a very busy street. So the Ajuma is with me. Oh, very nice. Jelly. What is this? Raindrop cake. Hey, very special. Raindrop cake. Okay, Ewan is bought one. How much is one?
It's 3 for 10,000.
3 for 10,000. Okay, let's pierce into the raindrop. Quite special. I never see this in Singapore.
I think they have this in Japan. I'm not sure.
In Singapore, have
Japan.
Japan
According to Auntie Shannon.
Okay, Auntie Sharon travel a lot of places.
It tastes just like water.
Well, how does it taste, Mei Mei?
Quite good.
Quite good lah.
You still got one more peach one.
Okay, taste test. What is that powder?
Yeah, they say must mix.
It's a peanut powder, almond powder. So, taste test. Still got one more. You bought 3. 3 for 10. I just...
This is the fish flavor.
Okay, toy one. Wow, toy one. Let's move to the next store. Wow, this is the creamy sandwich. Okay, there's a kind of liquor tangerine. Oh, the 10 cent. Anyone want to try the 10 cent? Anyone? You want 10 cent?
It's so cheesy.
Cheesy 10 cent. The stretchy one. Down here is how much is it? 4,000. Everybody is everywhere. So I look for my wife. Okay, a lot of this market is much better than the market that we go on day 1. Okay, more tangerines. Okay, there's also lobster. Okay, these are the cute little vests. Okay, sleeping tangerine theme sleeping pajamas. Now is here also. Anybody want to try the toy one? Toy one. The raindrop cake. Nobody. 已经有人 review 了。toy one. Does this remind you of? This remind me of the Squid Game. The guy that tried to use the mouth and crack the so-called the cookie. This is not a cookie. This is a sugar thing. So if those who interested can buy one, go back and try. Okay, we are at this store. Grilled lobster. Everybody is talking about lobster. So it's about half of it is 10,000. That's $10, and one full one is $19. So they also sell the black pork roll. This is something must try here. Let's watch the lobster performance. Wow, a lot of fire. Fire! Voila! $20. Where's the cheese? Can you show me how stretchy? Can you show me how stretchy? Okay, this is how stretchy. Okay. Thank you for your demonstration. This another here is cheaper, 4,000. Okay lah, enough already. Stretch long enough already. Okay, behind me is the sashimi counter. This is the average about $35 one plate.
풀모션에서 되게 한쪽에서 부탁드립니다. 68번 손님.
Remember this Market Street 我们有来过 then 中间坐 then we bought the 那个炸鸡你还在那边吃so I ever come here before but now it's brighter and cleaner so there's a lot of tangerines. Yeah, this street I remember already, quite nice. Or maybe there's a similar street somewhere else. But I quite remember there's a event here. I bought some Korean fried chicken here. Okay, we are trying out the lobster. Not bad lah. A bit chewy one the lobster. It's the octopus, not the squid. How you find? Tastes like rubber, is it?
No, very chewy.
Very chewy lah. This is octopus Personally, I prefer squid It's too rubbery for me. Squid is another thing.
Squid also?
Sotong one They are not blur like sotong. This squid. Okay, you can see the squid. The tentacles. This is the squid. Hey, there's pancake also. There's a black pork dumpling. Okay, you bought the squid game. Can you so-called take out the umbrella without breaking it? Okay, you try Later I'll take a video when you complete it. Don't say bo jio the joing pig. It's a Jeju handmade dumpling. A lot of shouting, a lot of touting. Anyway,
I feel the dayang.
you finish So this is the dumpling. Not bad Not entirely meat there's some veg inside. This is the pancake. Okay, now I'm outside the market at the Starbucks. Okay, quite nice inside the Starbucks. Let's check out the Starbucks. Okay, let's walk into the Starbucks. So I come here for the toilet. Anyway, they're quite nice. They have all these collector marks here for different cities. Ichinon, so this is the Jeju one, but not cheap. So it's about $34 for a mug. Okay, this is how their Starbucks look like. So the menu is pretty much the same. That's how the Starbucks look. Okay, a lot of people sitting here, maybe resting because outside is pretty cold. So there's a Starbucks kind of layout, quite cozy and nice. A lot of people plug into their computer here and watch. Okay. Zikang is here also.
Yeah.
Nice, right? I think the best place is Starbucks. So we are here for the toilet.
The toilet long queue.
Long queue Okay, we have to wait quite a while.
Precise is
Okay, today is the last day of 2025, so this is the revenge shopping. So tomorrow will be a New Year day, so you all have another New Year plan. So your quota you all must by 31st of March clear. So no buy, one buy, many buy. I don't know how many. Okay, we finally reached our dinner place, Chunshim restaurant. I believe it's a seafood. Let's go in and check it out. Okay, Chunshim seems to be quite a nice restaurant externally. So quite cold now. There's some Korean kids. Okay, where's the main entrance? Okay, let's check out the Chunshim restaurant. Okay, automated. Ooh, nice restaurant. Hopefully the price not expensive. Also nice Okay, this is the restaurant we are here. What you guys are eating?
tangerine sauce.
Tangerine sauce Okay, this is like appetizer starter. So she don't eat fish, so she's having a chicken chop. Is that a chicken chop? A pork cutlet. This is I think this is first time we see they serve the anchovies So there's a mini pancake. So I don't know what set is this I think we have a fish. Later I'll feature the fish.
This one is mushroom.
This
This
is
is
mushroom.
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 Not bad. And then just
Not
now
bad.
the one here was like
Cold crab. This is the so-called, what you call that?
soy crab.
Soya crab. Okay.
tail please, okay? Yeah. Every time you finish, your tail like this inside. Everyone to get photo time. And it's broken knee, okay? Thank you.
Okay, after eating all these side dishes, we eat a lot of this. But anyway, the main dish is the fish. So it comes with the fish and come with a soup. Wow, very professional cameraman. Okay, eat the fish must have expression. Okay, that's how they.
See, 1, 2, 3, stop.
Wow, very professional.
No bone.
Remove the bones, right?
Everyone say 1, 2, 3, stop. Okay?
1, 2, 3. Wow. No eating.
Because fish food very dangerous. Okay? No eating please. Onion inside.
Oh,
Okay.
together with the onion.
Thank you. Delicious. Oh, very hot.
Very hot.
Please thank you. Sorry.
Okay, now our turn.
Everyone say 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Bye bye bone.
Okay, bye bye bone.
Bye bye bone.
Okay.
This is no eating.
No eating, stomach and the bone.
This onion inside.
Okay, add with onion.
Spicy chili.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Sorry.
Thank you.
Personally, I rate the fish a solid 9 out of 10 because the fish is very tender and has salted crust. Because it's like, I think it's roasted in salt. So it's actually super delicious and super tender. But a lot of bone more. Yeah. Okay.
Bye bye. Thank you. Happy New Year. 감사합니다. Bye-bye. Okay, we have finished our dinner. That's the fish that we eat. Okay, this is the Chunshim Jeju. You must come here. The girl is the waitress is very friendly. Ah. Yeah, you don't like friendly people, man?
I love friendly people.
Okay.
Say hi, Chi. It's a video.
Where are we now, Mei Mei? So, we park here. We are looking for the deer. But I think there's some, it's getting very cold. 1,100 meters. So we are looking for the deer. So everybody park. Very cold. Find any deer, but it's very cold. Okay, you can see the wind is very strong here. And there's snowing. up here also. It's the last day of 2025. So I'll come back in half an hour's time. I gotta shower first. Walao. I have the last shower of the day. Of the year. Yeah. Those want to go shower, go ahead. Don't all go and shower after the water not hot. Yeah, I'm coming. I'm the last one, is it?
Yeah, we're all waiting for you.
Oh, you're light out already. Haven't still got 5 minutes. Okay. Thank you, everyone. So these are for the January one. Huh? I also have to come in. Okay. Olle 要考好成绩，加油加油！上学的考好成绩，上班的加薪水，做生意的退休的，股票赚多多，4D 喜欢买4D 的中多多，中头奖。
Uncle Bruno, how do you feel?
Oh, how do I feel? I don't feel anything. I feel cold because now outside is 0 degrees and we are eating ice cream. 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Welcome 2026. Bye bye 2025. This is our birthday cake, melted while I'm showering. Okay, anyway, outside is 0 degrees, but inside is full of warmth and laughter.